Today we will discuss about friend function in C++. If a function is defined as friend function in C++, then the protected and private data of a class can be accessed using the function. By using the keyword friend, compiler knows the given function is a friend function. For accessing the data, the declaration of a friend function should be done inside the body of a class, starting with the keyword friend. Declaration of friend function in C++. First you write the class and class name. Next, in the flower braces, you write the word friend. After that, data type, next function name, and in brackets you write the arguments which you are going to pass and keep a semicolon there. After that, this is the syntax of friend function, and you close the flower braces and you keep semicolon there. In the above declaration, the friend function is preceded by the keyword friend. The function can be defined anywhere in the program like a normal C++ function. The function definition does not use either the keyword friend or scope resolution operator. Characteristics of a friend function. The function is not in the scope of the class to which it has been declared as a friend. It cannot be called using the object as it is not in the scope of that class. It can be invoked like a normal function without using the object. It cannot access the member names directly and has to use an object name and dot membership operator with the member name, as we used in the previous lectures. It can be declared either in the private or the public path. These are the characteristics of a friend function. We will see an example of C++ friend function used to print the length of a box. We created a class named box, and in that we gave the access specifier private. In private we wrote the length with the int data type, and in, under the access specifier public we wrote box of colon length of 0, and we wrote the friend function friend int print length of box, and we closed the class. After that we wrote another function int print length of box b as parameter. In that we wrote b dot length plus equal to 10, and we are returning length of b. After that we wrote the main function. In that we are writing box b, and we are going to print length of b, and we are returning 0. Then we will get the output length of box equal to 10. Next we will see a simple example when the function is friendly to two classes. We are creating two classes A and B. We are giving forward declaration for class B, and we are writing class A. In class A we are writing int x as a private. In the public we are writing void set data of int I, and in the logic we are writing x equal to I. After that we are creating a friend function friend void min of a comma b. After that we are declaring another class b. In that we are giving int y, and under the public access specifier you are writing a function void set data of int I. In that you are writing the logic y equal to I. After that you are again calling the friend void min of a comma b. This is the friend function. Friend function, same friend function you are using in both the classes class A and class B. After that, what we are writing the logic for the friend function void min capital A small a comma capital B small b. In the logic, if you are writing if of a dot x less than or equal to b dot y, and we are printing a dot x. If it is if a dot x is less, we are printing a dot x, or else you are printing b dot y. Next, in the main function, you are declaring capital A small a, capital B small b. We are writing small a dot set data of 10, b dot set data of 20, and you are calling the function min of a comma b. Okay. Capital A small a means you are creating the object of class A. Capital B small b means you are creating object for class B. By using those objects, you want to use the public function, access the public function void set data of that you are using, and you are calling the min of a comma b. Then we'll see the output, we'll get the output as 10. Okay, because the 10 is less than 20, so we are printing a dot x. Okay, we are printing a dot x, so you are getting the output as 10. The above example, the min of function is friendly to two classes, that is, the minimum function can access the private members of both the classes A and B. Means here the private is X in class A, int X is private, and in class B, int Y is private. Then also we are able to access them using the friend function. After that, we will see about C++ friend class. A friend class can access both private and protected members of the class in which it has been declared as a friend. We will see a simple example of a friend class. We are creating a class named A, and we are writing the private data member int x equal to 5 and a friend class capital B. This is the friend class. Here capital B we are again using here. We are creating another class capital B with the same name what we used it as the friend class. In the public you are writing void display of function, and in that function you are going to print the a dot x value. Okay. In the main function you are creating two objects. First object is belonging to class A and the second object belongs to class B. And you are writing B dot display of A. Okay. So you are getting the output as 5. Why we are printing A dot X, where X is 5. That is the private member. So in the above example, class B is declared as a friend inside the class A. See here in the class A, in the last line we are creating a friend class B. So therefore B is a friend of class A. Class B can access the private members of class A. So only we can use B dot display of A. Okay. That display you are passing here, from that display you are getting A dot X value. Okay. Thank you.